Combined events happen when either event can happen. Mutually exclusive events happen when two events cannot occur at the same time. If you notice, the beginning of both of these events are the same. This is when there's OR in the problem. When there's OR, you will use addition. Conditional probability measures the probability of an event given that another event has occurred. Independent happens when the first event does not affect the other. If you notice, both of these events start with the same thing, and it looks like AND. So you will use this when AND is in your problem, which means you will multiply. Combined events happen when either event can happen. For example, like flipping a coin.
For the example, you know that you have a half chance of it landing on heads and a half chance of it landing on tails. So you'll add both of those chances together to get your answer.
For mutually exclusive events, two events cannot occur at the same time. So you'll have to draw, for example, one card or another card.
To solve this problem, you know that you have 4 out of the 52 cards that are in the deck are kings. So 4 over 52, which simplifies down to 1 over 13. And then you know that there are 4 aces in the deck out of the 52. So again, 1 out of 13. You will add those together and get 2 over 13 as your final answer. The reason you know this is the answer is because in the problem it says OR. So you either have the chance of getting a king or an ace. So your chances are greater.
Conditional events measure the probability of an event given that another event has occurred. For example, you'll have to draw something twice.
For example, you see that there are 7 total houses. 4 of them are red, so 4 over 7, and 3 of them are green, 3 over 7. If you choose one, let's just say it's red, and put it out, then you'll have a 3 over 6 chance of choosing a red and a 3 over 6 chance of choosing a green.
The independent property happens when the first event does not affect the second event.
To solve the example problem, here's a dice. This has 6 sides and there are 3 odd numbers. So you know that's 3 over 6. In the coin, there's tails and heads. So you know there's 1/2. The reason you know this is independent is because to win the game, you have to flip and get tails and roll an odd number. So you know you have a 1/2 chance of flipping tails and 3/6 chance, which simplifies down to 1/2, of rolling an odd. So you will multiply both of these fractions together to get your final answer.